Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing In the Post, and this is In the Post number 22. Okay, first things first. Whoops. Some general things. I have a lot of books and I use a lot of things that how do I keep my place marks in them. I don't really want to bend over the pages and turn down the corners, so I've invested in a set of bookmarks, and these will be going into, these ones I bought specifically for my books on coins and what have you, and they're basically a set of Japanese style bookmarks. They're card, but they were such a nice set, or a nice looking set, I decided to take the plunge and spend, would you believe it, a massive £2 for those 4 bookmarks, which I thought was rather good. I do like the Japanese culture and Chinese culture, and I do need them for when I'm doing research and keeping my place in books rather than turning down the corners, which tends to ruin the thing. Is that something ruin the book? So that's just something a little unusual and just general housekeeping, I suppose you could call it. Next, I have a postcard that came in with a set of things as packing. This is an Isle of Man, shows an Isle of Man stamp and one of the steam trains off the island, which I thought was a lovely card. And this will be going into the third of my collections. I have about 5 different collections on the go at the moment. I have things like postcards, I have the coins and banknotes, obviously. I have some First World War, I have militaria, and some of that includes things like silk postcards and things like that from the Sweetheart ones, I think they're called. But that will go into my collection of postcards. Now, I did say that one of my hobbies is also stamps, and we have a bunch of stamps there that was came as on one of the letters. I also collect FDCs, or first day covers. Now I have a specialist Christmas collection, so that was this year's, just gone, 2022, and I've got 2 more there, which are 2017 and 2016. Now, apart from about 3 years, I have all of them from 1969, I think. Now, I know it's probably not the done thing, but I am seriously thinking about just showing that set of Christmas, those set of Christmas first aid covers off sometime in the future. Give me a definitive yes or no as to whether you'd like me to show those off or not. Next, in the last coin hunt, oh sorry, in the post, which was about 10 days ago or so, I showed you the Christmas 50p from Gibraltar. Let's take this down and show you the £2 version, for those of you not seen it yet. I will be doing a video of the 2 coins. I will probably record it during the next couple of weeks or so, but may save it until next Christmas. I haven't decided yet on whether I'm going to use that video as a video for Christmas, or whether I'm going to release it in the middle of the year, which really doesn't make any sense. But there you go. What can I say? My friend Bo Selector has been at it again, and he's very kindly sent me the latest Strike Your Own. Now this is the current Strike Your Own at the Royal Mint, and it is the Edward Jenner £2 coin. Now this is going to carry on until I believe the next Harry Potter coin, which will be Dumbledore, as we believe all four, if you believe what's previously been done. There is a special collector's folder which shows all four strike your owns from the Harry Potter, which are the 4 coins that were in the set, the 2 that were held over from last year. This is the first one for this year. It's the Edward Jenner. I will be doing a full review of this coin in the next couple of weeks or so, after I've done the 2 Harry Potter ones, Harry Potter and Hogwarts Express ones, which I got off him just prior to Christmas, but came too late to be involved in the Christmas programme that I did last year. Oh, another nice set of stamps. That's better. Another little bit of set of stamps. Right, we have one more set of coins. And these are from Jersey, and they were a set that was released in 2022. And it's the HMS Victory set. And it's 5 50p's, if I just go out a little bit. There are 5 50p's in the set. You got Nelson himself, you got the HMS Victory, the stern of HMS Victory, you've got the Victory under sail, the firing of the cannons, and the death of Lord Nelson. It's to celebrate 100 years in dry dock of Victory itself. Now, I will be doing a review of this set in the very near future, so you got that to look forward to. I hope to have these out sometime before the end of February. All these videos that I'm showing you of the coins, I hope to have them out, as I said, before the end of February. But don't hold me to it, because all sorts of weird and wonderful things happen in the meantime. So that's the last of the coins for this in the post series, in the post review. However, I have a brand new book. I think this has been shown by at least one other person to my knowledge. It is the new 2023 50p guide. The beauty about this is it talks about fakes. Then you look at the UK Strike Your Own series. So if we go to that, that is on page 15. So if we go to page 15, you've got the last set of coins, which is the Harry Potter, the memorial coin there. You have the Snowman, and you have Hogwarts Express. This is the Strike Your Own set, so you can see all the different Strike Your Owns. And so far, it goes through to Hogwarts Express. There has been one more since the Hogwarts Express, which is the Edward Jenner one that came out in January this year. Started at January this year. Nobody knew what it was going to be. So it covers all sorts of countries, like it does the Isle of Man, Gibraltar, British Indian Ocean Territories, British Antarctic Territories, Gibraltar, Falklands, South Georgia and South Sandwich Islands, Jersey, Guernsey, Tristan da Cunha, Alderney, St Helens, Republic of Ireland. Then it goes into some coloured coins from around the world. So it's it is a very comprehensive guide to what goes on. As I said, the 50p's from the UK finish on the Hogwarts Express, which came out towards the end of December. So we haven't had any of the coins that are in the 2023 annual set in this book. It would have been published so early in the year you wouldn't expect that. Still, for the price of it, and it's not expensive, you can either order it through eBay, which is where I got it, or you can, the email address is andrewscoins@hotmail.com. So if you're interested in the book, you can certainly find it on eBay. That's where I found it. As I say, for a pretty comprehensive book, although it covers up to the end of 2022, it's a great book from that respect, and I'd be quite happy I'm quite happy using this as a reference book. So you make your own mind up as to whether you want to get it or not, but it is a good book, in my opinion. So that ends this particular video on what I've got in the post. I'm sure there will be another one in a week or two's time. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. If you believe this video is worth it, please give me the thumbs up. And if you've not already subscribed, I'd be delighted if you seriously thought about doing so and did subscribe. I do a bare minimum 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you like in those 4 videos. I will on occasions be doing more than 4, but 4 will be my bare minimum each week. Until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too long into the distant future, thank you for watching, and from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.